up? It's Mark. Subscribe, hit the notification button. If you haven't done that yet, do it. Hope you guys are doing great. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Everybody's always welcome because here we go through some crazy stuff. Some cool trucks, modern stuff, different options, big wheels, small wheels, lowered, raised, monster trucks, everything. With that said, this, my friends, is a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ Z71. Boom! Z71, fellas. This is a nice truck because here's why. It's not too extreme. It does have a suspension lift on it. It does have aftermarket tires on it, big tires. And it still sports the factory look with an aggressive stance to it. So it's a 6-inch rough country suspension lift, guys, on a 14 Silverado 1500 LTZ Z71 6-inch rough country suspension with a set of factory wheels on it, sporting a set of 35 1250 20-inch Ironman All Country mud terrain tires. No rubbing or scrubbing, full left turn, full right turn, perfectly capable of doing everything this factory truck can do. We had to trim out the valance a little bit right here, but so be it. Who cares? We can turn full turn right and full turn left, and it still looks aggressive. The truck has shy over 100,000 miles on it. It's a flex fuel vehicle. Trying to flex on the flex fuel, yep. Tinted windows, all leather interior with a third bench seat, with a front seat bench seat that flips down to a console. And it's got a backup camera, OnStar Navigation. It's got the GM bed liner, all factory, guys. It's a really nice truck, bone stock, besides the suspension lift and the tires. And it's just a really pretty looking truck. The paint is absolutely gorgeous on it. 5.3 liter engine. You get your fog lights. It helps a lot when you push the button that you turn on your lights with to engage the fog lights, and it helps a lot. Guys, just look at the paint. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous deep blue, like a, I don't know what kind of blue color, like a magenta. I don't even know my colors, but whatever. It's a pretty color. Oh shit, I just locked myself out. Nope, didn't. So here's the end of the side of the truck. Pretty clean, nothing too major, you know, typical truck. Here's the interior, 105,202. Here's your fog light. For those of you guys who don't know how to do this, everybody's like, how do you turn the fog lights on? Simply and pretty easy. So auto, keep it on auto, or turn it on and push the button in. Fog lights engage. Built-in tow electric trailer brake right there with your gains. You got your bed light when you're working in your bed at nighttime. It's always helpful right there. Your traction control off button. Heated seats right there, guys. Not to say that I'm gonna put those damn things on because it's 100 and something degrees. My balls are sticking to the side of my legs. Door jambs are clean as hell. Really, really nice. Here's the VIN number. Super clean. And no sunroof. LED lights are retrofitted in the new Silverados. They're super, super nice looking. You can see it's like a nice crisp light. This one features nice wood grain mashed and paired up with the chrome and the black and stuff. It looks really nice. Automatic, power folding mirrors and windows. Hello! Push the button again, and they fold out. Child safety, but who needs to put your kid in the car when your kid just wants to run around and have fun in there? So yeah, there you have it, guys. And hope you guys like it. 2011, or shit, I'm losing my train of thought today. It's so hot out here. 2014 Silverado 1500 LTZ Z71, fellas. This is Mark signing out, and hope you guys like the truck. Over and out.